No, we don't want to record. Pause.
This is a book about animals and it's written by Lulu. These animals I found in my garden in Chennai. This lizard has stripes and long fingers and it can jump really high. This skink has short legs and it has many scales and it has a really long tail. And it can regrow its tail once or twice. These dolphins are really far away and you can only see their fins because they're really way out to sea. This butterfly is orange, red, white, and black. And it also has been hurting, but I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
This butterfly is also black, orange, and white, and red. And it has also been hurting, and it did not move when I held it by the wings. This chameleon has a long tail and it has big eyelids and it can run really fast.
Where did you find it?
This king cobra has a design on its head and it swallowed something poisonous and they can kill you.
There we go.
Okay. This puppy I found with Mirlan and Chowdhury, my guard. And this is the puppy. And Merit and me found it also. What the heck?
What happened?
The end. Thanks for listening.